Hello, this is Lisa from A-Onesys trading with the bank lines. And here's a trading disclaimer. Futures and options trading has a large potential reward but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risk and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options market. So please read this before you go further. CFTC rule. You should read this before you invest any money in futures or Forex or options. So let me show you for a couple of days trading room performance. Okay, here's a CL chart in our trading room. Let's see. This is a Wednesday. As after 8 o'clock, we got this trade here. It's a divergence, and that was long trade. And then we got this divergence from this top. It's a double top, and this is a little higher. So that was short trade here. And then we have a really nice divergence, and that was really nice trade. So that's how our traders can make consistent profit. Sorry, this was a Tuesday, last Tuesday, and here is the Wednesday. So first trade after 8 o'clock, we had this trade. This is a lower high, and this is a higher high. That was a short trade. And then we have, this is lower low showed up here, but this is a higher low. So that was a long trade. Then we had at our bank line double top and a divergence. So we got short trade. Really nice trades. On Thursday, June 6th, we have a couple of losses here after 8 o'clock. This was a loss after getting first target 10 ticks, and then it was a long trade from here when it's made this divergence. So we got this long, and then we got again short here. That was again getting first 10 ticks. Then it was a loss, the 50%, and then it's a long trade. It's made a double bottom of the indicator, and higher low on the chart. So that was really nice long trade, and it stay up for the day. This is Friday. We got this trade really nice. It's a double top, and this is lower high. That was really nice to down. And then we got this divergence here. This was nice 170 ticks trade up to here. And then this was a divergence, and then it stay there. Today is a Monday. We got this trade first, a divergence trade after 8 o'clock, long trade. Then we got divergence here, double top. And that's a short trade. Then we got divergence. This is a lower low. This is a higher low. So we got long trade here. We got really nice trading in our trading room, and traders are happy. They're making consistent profit. And look at this trade. Start from 0.0. It's gone to 96.40. 240 ticks. Great trades. And we just we're watching other markets as well, as we have put the TF chart. TF is another market which is doing good with our system. Here is the trade after its opening. This is Thursday. Let's go to check Wednesday and Tuesday here. After opening, we have this divergence trade. And here's a double top, even a slower high from this one. So we got this short trade, and we got this divergence, and we got long trade here. And this is not confirmation to down. Either we are at break even or we lost here. Then we had this trade, which is even gone. This is a higher low from these one, and this is lower low from these ones here. So that was the long trade, and then made a double top, an indicator, and lower high on the chart, and it's made a really good trade to down. That was Tuesday. Here Wednesday it was a little choppy, but it was nice. Wasn't that bad. This one had a double top here, and double top here, short trade. Then this is divergence, lower low, higher low. This is double top, even a little bit higher, but this is lower. So short trade, and that's really nice. And here is from this bottom, lower low, this is higher low. So that's a long trade. This is a higher high, this is a lower high. That's a short trade. So that's how we got on a TF, and a couple of more here. And this is Thursday. We have, after opening this trade, this is a higher low, this is a lower low. So that's a long trade. This is a little bit higher high. This is double top. So short trade, but didn't work completely. And then this divergence, short trade. And this was a choppy here a little bit. And this is not a trade actually. This one here is a trade, is a long. Stayed long about 1 hour here. Then it showed up lower high and double top on the indicator, and that's a short trade. Now looking, this one is no confirmation. This is a lower low, this is a lower low, so that's not counted as a trade. This one was a couple of losses. And coming here, we will see how we can set up this one or get out quick from this one. We cannot stay that long as a CL. Cannot take every trade like CL. So this is Friday, and this one here is lower high, this is a higher high. Even that didn't open yet, opened it here, so that goes lower. An indicator is lower low. This is a higher low from these ones here. And that's a long trade, first trade after opening. And this is a divergence trade to short. And this is not confirmation here. Today's trade, after opening, this was a divergence, this nice divergence here, and then this divergence to the long. That's it, two trades, very nice. And this was a divergence here to the short trade. So that's how our system works for TF. It's not set up yet completely, but it's working good. We look in here, but for CL is working perfect. As you see, so many trades are long trades, and today we have a really good 3 trades, 1, 2 and 3. It was nice. So if you want to come to our trading room and see how is this working, we have first month trial. As a trial we have a 75% off from the regular price. So you can come to our trading room and see how you can be making consistent money as a professional trader is making. So thank you for watching our video.